Our topic is the Arlo Video Doorbell. The things you cherish, and the people you love, are right behind this door. That's why protection starts here. See the important moments outside your door from head to toe. Receive alerts when they matter, so you can know before they knock and clearly hear guests like you're there with the doorbell that calls your phone directly. It's built to handle everything that steps up to your front door, so you can protect everyone who matters on the other side. Let's see its features. See more at your front door. The new wire-free Arlo Essential Video Doorbell lets you see what other doorbells can: a more complete picture from head to toe. See a clearer picture. Detailed video in HD with HDR ensures you see the details even in low light or bright conditions. Alerts that matter most. Receive notifications when motion is detected in people, packages, vehicles, and animals. Respond quickly. Hear and speak to visitors at your door with clear two-way audio, or respond with pre-recorded quick reply messages when you are busy. See who's there, even at night, with night vision. Weather resistant. Built to withstand the heat, cold, rain, or sun. Connect directly to Wi-Fi or pair with Arlo SmartHubs or base stations. As someone approaches the door, you can see this will light up here, giving you that breathing kind of status light there on the front. It has HD video, motion detection, and alerts video call. When somebody presses the doorbell, this will actually call your phone. Select your Arlo model. Install Arlo Video Doorbell. Locate your existing chime box. Turn off the power at the breaker. Find the power kit. Remove the cover of the chime box. Select the type. Follow the instruction. Replace the chime cover. Use the release pin to remove the mounting plate from Arlo Doorbell. Position it. Secure, and connect the wires. Turn on the breaker. Check the light. Press the doorbell button. Name your Arlo Video Doorbell. Here you go. You have perfectly secure your house.